You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this Irish name or Irish names pronunciations? Make sure to stay tuned. Loads of Irish names here. Seanathair, Seanathair. Some may skip pronouncing the last R and say it as Seanathair, Seanathair, or just pronounce the last R very softly. Seanathair. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.